also going to be watching the data here after it releases. So we're pushing up seconds before. I'll check the data after it comes out. Whoa. Okay. And there we have it. That was fast. We're talking about 100 pips in about a second. So, yeah, that was a $243 trade. And the EU, yeah, so I'm going to probably re-enter on the EU here in a second. I'll wait for the pullback, look at the data, and maybe we'll enter again. Okay, so it's really positive USD there. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty good week for me. I've had 7 trades, 71% win rate. I'm really happy about this indicator. It really is gonna allow me to push my profit to the next level and probably get me to my goals. All right, so let's talk about how to use this thing better. It's not only good for finding placing trades, so where to place trades at. It's also good at where to take profit. And so that's what I'm trying to do here is, all right, so we entered our trade on gold, sell, right? And we know that based on this data today, the inflation data, that it's probably going to, once the news releases, that it's probably going to do one of two things. Push through all these levels, these 2 daily levels right here. And depending on the numbers, maybe this level, it would pass as well. Okay, so that's on one side. So if it was on the opposite side, it's probably going to blow right past level 4 and probably maybe find support or resistance at level 1. So if I was wrong, I was going to be looking at a second trade at level 4 and then possibly a third trade at level 1, depending on what the data was. So this would be my second trade, would get filled right off the bat, and then if it kept going the drawdown, I would look at the numbers to see if it would be worth taking a trade at level 1. If it was bad and it was, you know, really negative, then I would wait, hold my trade at level 4, and continue to hold all the way for another second trade, a third trade at level 2. So at this point, all the way on the upside, I would have three trades in, 1, 2, and 3, and I would probably be in probably about 3 or 4% drawdown by the time that price reached up there. So trying to assess the situation, that's why I pick my risk and where it is. And tried to understand the data, how much price might likely move right off the bat from it, and we looked like it was about 100. We're about 180 pips at this point from where price was right before the data released. So we've already passed this level here, or this zone, and this will be probably the first kickback. So I'll probably close out my EU trades by the time that price hits this level on gold. All right, so starting to get a little bit of kickback there. This is where I question closing out the trade. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this out. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in to this short session. Glad that profit was made, and it was pretty fast. Next stream will be on on Thursday, so I'll be looking to trade the core retail sales on Thursday, and so I'll be back here at the same time, about 10 minutes before the news releases. I'm looking to potentially enter some trades just before or just after the news releases. All right, thanks guys for tuning in. See you in the next one.